Most homeowners don't plan for roof work. It shows up uninvited. After a storm, during a cold night, or right when you finally have time to relax. A drip, a draft, or shingles that don't look quite right can turn into one big question. What am I actually dealing with here? That's where a clear estimate for roof repairs or replacements St. George homeowners can rely on becomes so important. Not a ballpark pulled from the internet. A real look at the condition of your roof, what's causing the issue, and whether a repair truly solves it or if replacement makes more financial sense long term. A lot of people focus only on the immediate problem they can see, but roofs are systems. If flashing around vents fails, if underlayment is worn, or if ventilation hasn't been working properly, the visible damage is often just a symptom. A thorough evaluation connects those dots so you're not fixing the same issue again next year. When sudden damage happens, speed matters. High winds, heavy rain, or falling debris can create openings that let water in fast. That's when St. George Affordable Emergency Roof Repair makes the difference between a controlled fix and interior damage that spreads to ceilings, walls, and insulation. Acting early limits the ripple effect. Of course, timing also affects cost. The longer water intrusion continues, the more materials are involved in the repair. That's why understanding the St. George roof repair price for your situation is more useful than any average number. Every roof has different materials, age, and exposure to sun and weather. Homeowners also appreciate clarity when it comes to budgeting. An affordable roofing quote St. George residents feel comfortable moving forward with should outline options. What's essential now, what can wait, and what protects the roof's lifespan. When you see the breakdown, decisions feel less overwhelming and more practical. And while quick service matters, accuracy still counts. A fast roof repair estimate St. George homeowners trust should cover more than surface damage. Valleys, seals, edges, and transitions between roof sections are common leak points. Catching those during the first evaluation prevents surprises later. The goal isn't just patching a problem, it's understanding the condition of your roof, the realistic cost, and the path that keeps your home protected for years, not just the next storm. And when you have that information, everything feels more manageable, and you can move forward with confidence instead of uncertainty. Contact us now for more info on how we can help you. 435-900-8207.